I was denied for a VA home loan because my credit score was only 540. Today, I'm going to show you exactly how I raised it to 740 in just 90 days. Step 1. 609 Dispute Letters. Under Section 609 of the Fair Credit Reporting Act, credit bureaus must prove every debt on your report or delete it immediately. I sent dispute letters to Equifax, Experian, and TransUnion. Within 30 days, 4 collection accounts were completely removed from my credit report. Step 2. Pay for delete negotiation. I called a collection agency and offered them $200 on an $800 debt. They accepted and removed the negative mark. Step 3. Authorized user trade lines. My wife added me to her 10-year-old credit card with perfect payment history. My score jumped 70 points overnight. The result? I went from 540 to 740 in 90 days. My VA loan was approved with 0 down and a 3.2% interest rate. I closed on my house last month. These 3 strategies work for veterans, active duty, and civilians. Don't let bad credit stop you from buying a home. Subscribe for the exact letter templates I used.